Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach the TOEFL reading section. First, understand the test format. You'll encounter 2 academic passages, each around 700 words long. Following each passage are 10 questions, making a total of 20 questions for this section. You'll have approximately 35 minutes to complete all reading tasks, so efficient pacing is crucial for success. To maximize your efficiency, begin by skimming each passage for 1 to 2 minutes. This helps you get a general sense of the topic and main arguments. As you read, engage actively by highlighting important details and briefly summarizing paragraphs. When tackling questions, identify keywords to quickly scan the text and pinpoint the relevant information needed for your answer. The TOEFL reading section features about 10 different question types, including factual, inference, and vocabulary questions. It's vital to understand each type. Aim to spend roughly 1 minute and 48 seconds per question. Tackle the more straightforward questions first to secure points, then circle back to those requiring deeper analysis. Remember, there is no penalty for incorrect answers, so always make an educated guess. Consistent practice is key. Take full-length practice tests regularly, simulating actual exam conditions to build stamina and refine your pacing. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to learn from your mistakes and identify areas for improvement. This focused review will significantly boost your score. And speaking of smart solutions, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.